it feels like one of those types of days where it's just nice and hot and sunny, and you gotta open up the grill. You gotta crack the grill open. There's a big difference between barbecuing and grilling. Some people act like it's all this just because you threw some meat over a fire. That doesn't mean it's barbecue, son. That means you just made some hot ass meat.
Ooh, what's that there, yo? Ooh, that's that goddamn meat, man. Ooh.
It's a whole technique to getting the flavor right, getting it, you know, juicy and moist and marinated. So you can't just go throwing some shit on the grill thinking you a grilling expert. I'm just putting it out there. But yeah, I'm finna go get the ingredients, get the good old secret shit, and we're gonna be back later, man. Just on my way to my favorite store, you know, where I did the shopping cart review, man. Check that video out. And I done came up on the meat. I don't know what's going on over here, but I'm finna check it out. Get some footage for y'all real fast. Oh, the VIPER truck, the SRT10 VIPER truck, y'all. Yeah, got the red and black seats, red and black steering wheel. Oh yeah, this is the big boy truck right here. VIPER motor, barely fits in there, V10. Big boy. Ram Air scoop.
That Ram Air system, Chrysler wouldn't put it on when they built the truck.
Okay.
Because it took too much time. It's an $890 option.
Whoa.
And only the dealerships did it. They have to take the hood off. They take the fender off, and it all bolts into the fender and the hood. You have to drill holes, put threads in it.
Yeah.
And is this your ship? This truck went to the dealership and put it in. You see, very rare do you see this option.
I know, I haven't seen it ever. So I had to get it on film real quick.
And then that top one, I took it out, sent it back east, and had them make it look like it's just black plastic.
Okay.
And they put that stuff on it to give it a little look.
Yeah, the carbon fiber look. But it's nice though, because I don't really see that many SRT10s anyway.
Very rare, very rare.
And it's just crazy how that big old engine just barely fits in there.
Factories aren't set up to do special.
It's a special, yeah.
They run them down the line, take their profit, and they're done.
Yeah.
It's a dealership that puts the add-ons.
So how many miles does this particular one have?
That has 18,900.
Wow.
In 05, when they built that one, they built 455 other red ones that year.
Man, that's crazy. This is a hot truck, man. Appreciate you for talking to me, man. Gonna boot, scoot, and boogie, y'all. Absolutely no loitering, congregating, skateboarding, bicycles, or rollerblading permitted on this property. None. All right, y'all, grill prep done. I got one side with the coals, man. That way I can go back and forth with the meat. Got that good old Kingsford, that apple wood. So I'm gonna try that out. I haven't tried it before. I'm letting the coals soak right now. About to light them up. Yeah, man. Just a little glimpse of some of the finished product here. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are looking good. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, don't flip them too often now. You don't want to lose the juices. Scoop that one up and put it back down in the exact same spot.
Just added these stuffed jalapenos on. Bacon wrapped. Yeah. Yeah.
Great success.
Again, that was totally unexpected. Sometimes it just come up on stuff. You gotta get your camera ready. Have your camera ready at all times, man. Cell phone, whatever you got, man. Get out there and record. That was some nice stuff, man. I'm gonna end this video right here. Like I said, I gotta go in here, go to the store and get some things. Now I'll holler at you in the next video.